How to change date of birth on X account. Let's get started. Launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find your profile picture. Click on that. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of profile. Now click on the option of edit profile. Now over here, you're going to find all of your personal details. Click on the option of birth date. This can only be changed a few times. Make sure you enter the age of the person using the account. Click on continue. Now you can make changes to your date of birth. Once you are done, you can also customize who can see this, month and day, likewise year. Once you customize all these, click on continue, click on save, click on confirm. With that, your birth date will be updated. So this way you can easily change date of birth on X account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.